Well, hi, Piper. What are you doing this time, huh? You checking out your little space over there? Yeah, I'm looking at you. Hi. Well, you're doing pretty good, aren't you? Just sitting there thinking about it. You could use that little tube to climb through if you want to. That would be good. Looking up. Maybe you're going to sit next to the TV like you do sometimes. Yeah, that's always a possibility, isn't it? Well, not too sure, huh? Yeah, there's a fan you can sit by and guard that. She's just keeping her eyes on everything around here.